Hey guys, what's going on? I'm gonna got the truck all washed and cleaned. Now that we can put these badge overlays in, come in a little plastic bag like that. It's pretty good. It's not metal or anything, it's just a little plastic mold that they Knox Lux makes. Pretty good high quality stuff. Seems like a lot of people, this is the solution they go with instead of plastic dipping emblems. I've already got them pretty dry around the areas. All we're going to do is just remove the backing, the tape there, and then apply the emblem itself. So now with the emblem out of its packaging, we'll go ahead and remove the red tape. Now we'll be very carefully apply the emblem itself to make sure we get a good stick. You just want to push it in. Now this ain't like vinyl, as far as I understand. You don't have to heat it up or anything to make sure the adhesive actually sticks. I mean, I'm sure it wouldn't help. It wouldn't hurt. Might actually help a little bit. I might actually do that after the video and heat these up so the adhesive actually sticks pretty good. It's the plan on keeping this truck for a while, so I want to make sure these last. Looks pretty factory as far as the emblem goes. Doesn't stick out or anything, so that's good. Now we'll move on to the Tacoma badges. Alright guys, I got the Tacoma badge already, got the tape off and ready to apply it. Just want to get it centered on there pretty good. Get a good stick. I mean, as far as I understand it from the directions, you don't really got to press too hard. You just want to make sure it sticks in all the crannies, nooks and crannies of the badge itself. So now that we got the driver's side on, we'll move on to the passenger side and finish up this. Alright guys, we're over here on the passenger side. Go ahead and apply it just the same as all the other ones that we've placed. Now I won't be applying the Toyota badge that's supplied with the kit because I am going to be getting an aftermarket grill, so it's kind of pointless to put a black badge on when I'm just going to be removing that grill itself. But now that we got these all applied, give you a quick look around of the truck with all the emblems. Then I got the blacked out insert for the Tacoma that's embedded into the tailgate itself. And then the Tacoma badge on the driver's side. And like I said before, they do have a Toyota badge that goes over the grill, but I will be replacing this with a TRD style grill, so it's kind of pointless at this point. But thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more. Please like and subscribe the video, and hope you guys enjoyed.